I'll invite graduate of electrical engineering from NUST, Momin Munir.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let me start off by giving a brief introduction about me. As Shoaib Bhai said, my name is Momin Munir and I am a student from the 5th batch of Al Burhan. By profession, I am an electrical engineer from NUST, Islamabad, and currently I am working in a family-owned startup company which focuses on industrial automation.
So the chief guest, Dr. Muhammad Imran Ashraf Usmani Saab, Mufti Sayyid Adnan Kaka Khil Saab have just arrived in the hall. Please welcome.
Okay, so as I was saying, currently I'm working in a family-owned startup company which focuses on the subject of industrial automation. We are also incubated at the National Incubation Center of Islamabad as part of the 4th cohort. Our main aim of our startup is to revolutionize the manufacturing industry in Pakistan and bring it to a self-sustainable point where we no longer have to rely on other countries for importing manufacturing goods. Okay, that was my brief introduction. Now coming to the main agenda of my short speech here today, in which I'll share my personal experience at Al Burhan so far. The most eye-opening aspect of Al Burhan for me was the atmosphere I found here. It was a very unique and welcoming atmosphere from the seniors and teachers alike. They were very friendly and easy to approach. For example, I would ask and still do very basic Islamic questions from them, and they're always responsive. And as a result, I gelled and settled in very quickly in this place. I was also intrigued to find the genuine level of concern the teachers here have for their students. For example, when a student is absent, their teacher would separately assign a student to go after him and then call him, personally contact him for his well-being. And of course, when you see this type of protocol given from the teachers to us students, we tend to give it back, and it builds a very healthy atmosphere for learning. I also would like to stress the importance of this, bringing this kind of atmosphere in our professional workspaces. Before coming to Al Burhan, I thought I had at least some sufficient knowledge about Islam. But when I came here and started studying, it was a very humbling experience when I realized how little I actually knew. Because no one checks us in this field today in our real life. As a student, I wondered, why am I getting to know about all this now? After 16 years of professional education, why is it now that I'm being introduced to all these fundamental concepts of Islam? And I can safely vouch for a majority of my fellow students at Al Burhan that they also went through the same chain of thought. And then we feel regret over having wasted so much of our time and in our lives not learning about something of such prime importance. And then regret, as you know, it's a beautiful fuel for your motivation, for covering up for lost time. And personally for me right now, it's what motivates me in my quest for knowledge. I would also like to address a couple of very important issues in our society today and how Al Burhan provides a solution for them. The first one revolves around the problems I see in the youth around me, in my friend circle and in my colleagues. Depression is becoming a very common problem in their lives. For example, when I ask them, what is your aim or what are your goals in life, they can't give a definitive answer. It seems like they're confused and they don't have a proper guidance. Islam gives us a proper guidance, a proper path, a way to live our lives. In short, if we just excel in our respective professions and expertise with the right intention of being part of something bigger than ourselves, we will definitely succeed in both worlds. And Al Burhan is a place that I've found which makes you realize this aspect. Another very important part that I realized is the lack of presence of this Islamic knowledge in our educational system. Coming to Al Burhan made me recognize the utmost importance of incorporating this fundamental Islamic knowledge in our educational system from a young age. I mean, how saddening it is for us as Muslims. We know so little about the fundamentals of our religion and about our history. Because in our homes, when was the last time we sat down and discussed the stories and the lives of Sahaba and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? We need to educate our children and our households about these things and instill the love of Allah and the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in their hearts from a young age. So the question is, where do we start? We start from ourselves. We first need to educate ourselves, and only then we can educate others. And I think personally we are blessed to have an institute like Al Burhan in Islamabad, which provides us for this opportunity to pursue this knowledge simultaneously while continuing in our professional careers. And Al Burhan is a very unique place where you will find people from all walks of life and all ages coming here for a common purpose, that is to learn the basic Islamic knowledge. Finally, I would like to thank all of you for coming here today. May Allah guide us all to the straight path. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.